for sure.
And I know in at that time, when you start work with Cartel, I'm not sure I don't want to tell a lie upon you, but I think you produce some of the war song them too.
Yeah, man.
Which one?
I want to do them, man.
The War Get Ugly.
Yeah.
So me done there.
Giant project between I and Melanine, you know? Yeah. It was a giant project.
So you feel that kind of box you with who you can work with and who you can't work with?
Yeah, at the time.
Okay. So any regrets there, sir? Or you just feel like, yo, it is what it is, because if I work with Mavado, with the same for the same.
Same for the same. So I don't really have no regrets doing that, because it make Lee Miller who is Lee Miller today. You know what I mean? So the idea, you can't say, boy, because the rest of the business didn't really feel Cartel at the time. Yeah.
So in that Gully and Gaza era there, what was the tension like in the streets? Like, I'm gonna say, when I say the public, everybody know of Lee Miller and know the name, you see me? Because there's some hits and anthems you name that one, right?
Yeah.
But we know the face, but I'm sure the music industry know your face, but what was it like all the got a studio or, you know, so I can't go up a big ship, you know, because I think them and they want to see me, or it's a case where you want to reach upon phone same way, but you don't know, it's still a little distance.
Yeah. But I say,